Hi there. Let's talk about some of the latest strategies I've seen coming at me from opposing counsel in the last little while. One of the favorites of mine is deciding that you're going to pay, and by you're, I mean usually it's the guy. I represent guys, so I'm going to talk to you from the perspective of a lawyer who represents mainly men. So, the latest is to tell the guy that things need to be sold and he needs to pay up because he's going to end up owing her something in the divorce. This is before there's been any disclosure. This is without bringing into account that she might have a pension from work or she might have some property. Yeah, it's a nice tactic. I quite enjoy sending the letters back that say, back up. Because if you, and I've seen it come in a package with divorce papers. You're being served with a statement of claim of divorce and you're being told, cough up without any type of a chance to get advice or to ask questions or dig up evidence and find disclosure. So, yeah, there's been a few letters leaving my office of, hold on, there are some steps here, and I always get a little suspicious when women want to just suddenly settle everything and not take into account that we need to see what she has and not just what he has. The other interesting thing is, as I'm sitting on video listening to other lawyers talk in court hearings, is how much they're wanting in support. For an example, I was dumbfounded to listen to an argument between two lawyers because the woman's lawyer was demanding child support and spousal support in the amount that would have taken 56% of family income, even though the woman works full-time and she had a new partner in the house to help her pay the bills. She wanted 56% of her ex-husband's money, income, on top of all of that, on top of her income, on top of the fact that she had someone else helping pay part of the bills. This is so inherently wrong in my mind. And it was a brief regular chambers hearing, 10 minutes, quick and dirty decisions, not a lot of time for evidence or argument. So she didn't get her 56%, but now they're off to another bigger hearing that will cost thousands of dollars to go through to try and defeat her unrealistic wants in the divorce, even though the divorce is her idea, and as I've already mentioned, she'd already repartnered, which meant she probably had someone on the side before she ever tried to go for the divorce. The other interesting thing is that we used to take into account when there was spousal support that if the ex-husband paid the mortgage and the utilities and the insurance on the property, that would be considered spousal support. But our Court of Appeal has changed that. They're saying that cannot be because you're mixing up property and spousal support, and it makes it harder if it goes to trial later for the justice to unwind all of that. So what it's coming down to is if she wants to be in exclusive possession of the house and have you pay the bills, it's more a case of arguing for a set spousal support amount, and then she's got to pay the bills out of that. Makes it kind of interesting because sometimes having the guy pay the mortgage and the expenses of the house actually got her more than she would actually get in spousal support. So it's kind of six of one, half a dozen of another, of whether it's going to be a good move for the gentleman that get kicked out of the house with an EPO, or because she wants to move the new guy in. It's an interesting thing. On the positive side, it may get property settled faster than we used to get it settled. But we need full disclosure first, because I want to know what her pension is and what she's got socked away in a bank account before my guy pays anything. If you like my videos, please hit the like button, share the video with anyone who needs to know, and I will see you next time.